year coming to a close, all eyes are on the Samsung to launch its 2020's first flagship smartphone, the Galaxy S11. It is expected the brand will launch the Samsung Galaxy S11 lineup in 3 sizes, with the S11e and S11 getting both the 4G and 5G variants, while the S11 Plus is set to come with the 5G as standard. AKBC renders of the Samsung Galaxy S11 have been released by On Leaks and 91 Mobiles. These rumor-based renders suggest that the Samsung Galaxy S11 would retain a hole-punch display design similar to that of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 series. Further, the flagship phone seems to have bezels slimmer than the ones we have seen on the Galaxy S10 models. The first thing to note in the renders is that the hole punch in the display panel of the Samsung Galaxy S11 will be moved to the center. This replicates the design we have seen in the Galaxy Note 10 series. The bezels both below and above the display appear to be slimmer than those on the Galaxy S10, while those on the sides seems to be of pretty much the same thickness. Barring the display, the front panel only has a thin earpiece. The screen will measure between 6.3 inch and 6.7 inch and will curve on the sides. It should be noted that the curvature of the display seems relatively lesser than what we saw on the 2019 model. Moving on to the sides, we can see the volume and power buttons will be located on the right edge. The area where the 2 physical buttons are placed seems to be a little raised, likely in order to make it easier for the user to press the keys. The left is devoid of any keys whatsoever. Below the screen is a USB-C port flanked by speakers on the right and a mic on the left. On Leaks says that the phone will be 161.9 by 73.7 by 7.8 mm in size, featuring a glass back and a metal frame. On the back, we see a new L-shaped camera system, which has also been spotted on the renders of the upcoming Galaxy A51 and A71 smartphones. The handset will have as many as 5 sensors on the back. While we know 3 of these will be the regular cameras and 1 should be the 3D TIF sensor, the purpose of the last sensor is not yet known. These will be supplemented by an LED flash and what looks like the laser autofocus module. Other than the camera system, the back panel only has the Samsung logo. The lineup is set to flaunt a new 108 megapixel primary camera, which is expected to be better than the 108 MP Samsung, since than the one on the MI Note 10 and MI Mix Alpha. The handsets are also expected to debut 5x optical zoom, deep fusion-like technology and camera features such as a single-take photo, director's view, night hyperlapse, vertical panoramas, and impressive 8K video recording and much more. Samsung Galaxy S11 series is also expected to come in 3 screen sizes. The affordable Galaxy S11e is tipped to sport 6.3 inch or 6.4 inch screen, while the Galaxy S11 and the Galaxy S11 Pro could pack a 6.7 inch and 6.9 inch displays respectively. The panels will most likely be dynamic AMOLED, sport punch-hole for selfie cameras, offer HDR10 Plus support, have up to QHD Plus resolution, and feature an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner. Rumors are rife that the Galaxy S11 series could come with 120Hz refresh rate. Apart from this, all the 3 models are expected to come with both 5G and 5G connectivity. Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC or Exynos 990 SoC, depending on the market, taking at their course, and the Android 10 based One UI 2.0 custom skin to take care of the software side of the things. At MWC Shanghai, Samsung showcased its 45-watt fast charging technology. This debuted on the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but the company ended up bundling a 25-watt fast charger. The certification spotted in China, as reported by Sam Mobile, suggests that instead of using 45-watt fast charging, the Samsung Galaxy S11 5G with model number SM-G9860 would have 25-watt fast charging. The Galaxy S11e would also come with 25-watt fast charging support. However, the top-of-the-line Galaxy S11 Plus may have 45-watt charging support to sit alongside the Galaxy Note 10 Plus.